Nestled in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, lies the city of Tando Allahyar. Often overlooked, it holds a unique charm. It is a city where the past whispers through ancient shrines, and the present thrives in bustling markets and fertile fields. Tando Allahyar is a testament to the enduring spirit of Sindh. Its people are known for their warmth and resilience. The city invites you to explore its hidden treasures. The city is an important agricultural hub and a vital contributor to Sindh's economy. Tando Allahyar is also a gateway to understanding the rich culture of the region. It seamlessly blends tradition and modernity, making it a fascinating destination for travelers. Come, discover the allure of Tando Allahyar. Tando Allahyar is blessed with fertile land. The Indus River, a lifeline of Pakistan, flows nearby. It nourishes the soil and sustains life. The region is a tapestry of green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. Agriculture is the backbone of Tando Allahyar's economy, employing a significant portion of the population. The city is renowned for its sugarcane production. Vast sugarcane fields sway in the breeze, a testament to the hard work of the farmers. Cotton, known as white gold, is another important crop. Its fluffy bolls are a common sight during the harvest season. Mangoes, the king of fruits, thrive in the region's climate. Tando Allahyar's mangoes are famous for their sweetness and aroma. They are a prized delicacy enjoyed throughout Pakistan. Tando Allahyar experiences a typical arid climate. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures that can soar high, testing the limits of endurance. Yet, life finds a way to thrive. The people of Tando Allahyar are accustomed to the heat and have developed ways to cope with it. Winters are mild and short-lived, providing a welcome respite from the scorching summers. The monsoon season, from July to September, brings much-needed rain. The parched land rejoices as water breathes life into it. The air is thick with humidity, and the scent of wet earth fills the nostrils. Monsoon is a time of celebration, replenishing the water table and ensuring a bountiful harvest. The climate of Tando Allahyar, though harsh at times, plays a crucial role in shaping its agricultural landscape. Tando Allahyar is not just about agriculture and climate. While the fertile lands and favorable weather conditions make it a hub for farming, there's much more to this city than meets the eye. Beyond the fields and the climate, Tando Allahyar is a place where history and spirituality intertwine seamlessly. It is also a city steeped in history and spirituality. The ancient buildings and spiritual landmarks tell stories of a rich past where different cultures and religions have coexisted harmoniously for centuries. This blend of history and spirituality is what gives Tando Allahyar its unique character. The Ramapir temple stands as a beacon of religious harmony. Its entrance, adorned with colorful flags and intricate decorations, welcomes visitors from all walks of life. The temple is not just a place of worship, it is a symbol of unity and peace in a diverse community. It is a revered site for both Hindus and Muslims. Here, people of different faiths come together to pray, celebrate, and find solace. The temple's inclusive nature fosters a sense of belonging and mutual respect among its visitors. The temple is dedicated to Ramapir, a 14th century Sufi saint known for his message of love, peace, and unity. Ramapir's teachings continue to inspire people, transcending religious boundaries and promoting a message of universal brotherhood. Every year, the temple hosts the vibrant Ramapir Mela. This festival is a time of joy and celebration, where the community comes together to honor Ramapir's legacy. The Mela is a sensory delight, with colorful tents, lively music, and energetic dancing filling the air. This annual festival is a kaleidoscope of colors, music, and dance. It is a time when the streets of Tando Allahyar come alive with the sounds of traditional instruments and the sight of people dancing in unison. The festival is a true reflection of the city's vibrant culture and communal spirit. Pilgrims from all over Pakistan flock to Tando Allahyar to pay homage to Ramapir and seek his blessings. The journey to the temple is a pilgrimage of faith, with people traveling long distances to be part of this sacred event. The atmosphere is charged with devotion and anticipation. The Mela is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage, showcasing the interfaith harmony that defines Sindh. It is a celebration of the diverse traditions and customs that make up the fabric of this region. The interactions between people of different faiths during the Mela highlight the spirit of unity and mutual respect. The Ramapir Temple and Mela are not just religious events. They are a celebration of life, faith, and the human spirit. They embody the essence of Tando Allahyar, where history, spirituality, and community come together in a beautiful tapestry of cultural richness and harmony. Section 5. Beyond the city limits, exploring nearby treasures. While Tando Allahyar itself is a treasure trove of experiences, its surrounding areas hold their own allure. The countryside around the city is dotted with picturesque landscapes, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Rolling hills, lush fields, and quaint villages paint a picture of tranquility and natural beauty. Just a short distance away lies the city of Sehwan Sharif. This historic city is not only a cultural hub, but also a spiritual center that attracts thousands of pilgrims each year. It is home to the shrine of Hazrat Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, a revered Sufi saint. The shrine is a place of deep spiritual significance and is visited by devotees from all over the world. The shrine is a masterpiece of architecture. Its intricate designs and detailed craftsmanship are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. It is adorned with intricate tilework and shimmering mirrors. The vibrant colors and reflective surfaces create a mesmerizing visual experience, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in art and history. For nature enthusiasts, a visit to Manchar Lake is a must. This expansive body of water offers a peaceful retreat and is perfect for boating, fishing and birdwatching. It is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Asia. Its vast expanse and serene environment make it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. The lake is a haven for migratory birds. Each year, numerous species of birds flock to its shores, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. They flock to its shores in large numbers. Birdwatchers and nature photographers will find endless opportunities to capture stunning images of these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. Kinjar Lake, with its crystal-clear water and surrounding hills, offers another scenic escape. The lake is not only a natural wonder, but also a popular spot for recreational activities such as swimming, picnicking and camping. These nearby attractions add to the allure of Tando Allahyar. They provide a diverse range of experiences, from spiritual journeys to nature adventures, ensuring that there is something for everyone to enjoy. They make it an ideal base for exploring the beauty and spirituality of Sindh. Whether you are seeking peace and quiet, cultural enrichment or outdoor activities, the areas surrounding Tando Allahyar offer a wealth of opportunities to discover and enjoy. Section 6. A taste of tradition, cuisine and bazaars of Tando Allahyar. No journey to Tando Allahyar is complete without experiencing its culinary delights. The city is a treasure trove of flavors and aromas that reflect its rich cultural heritage. As you wander through the streets, the tantalizing scent of spices and freshly cooked food fills the air, inviting you to explore further. The city's cuisine is a flavorful blend of Sindhi traditions. It tantalizes taste buds and leaves a lasting impression. Each dish tells a story passed down through generations and is prepared with love and care. The use of local ingredients and traditional cooking methods ensures that every bite is a celebration of Sindhi culture. From spicy curries to sweet desserts, there's something to satisfy every palate. The variety of dishes available is astounding, each with its unique blend of spices and flavors. Whether you prefer something hot and spicy or sweet and indulgent, Tando Allahyar's cuisine has it all. One must-try dish is sai bhaji, a rich and flavorful stew. This hearty dish is a staple in Sindhi households and is loved for its nutritious ingredients and comforting taste. It's a perfect example of how simple ingredients can be transformed into something extraordinary. It is made with spinach, lentils and vegetables. These ingredients are cooked together to create a dish that is both healthy and delicious. The combination of flavors and textures makes sai bhaji a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Palo is another local specialty. This dish showcases the region's love for seafood and is a must-try for anyone visiting Tando Allahyar. The fish is cooked to perfection, ensuring that it is tender and flavorful. It features fish cooked in a tangy tamarind sauce. The tamarind adds a unique sourness that complements the fish beautifully, creating a dish that is both refreshing and satisfying. It's a perfect example of how local ingredients are used to create distinctive flavors. For those with a sweet tooth, gulab jamun and sawiyan are sure to delight. These traditional desserts are a perfect way to end a meal, offering a sweet and satisfying conclusion to your culinary journey. Gulab jamun, with its soft syrup-soaked balls, and sawiyan, a vermicelli pudding, are both beloved treats. The bustling bazaars of Tando Allahyar offer a sensory overload. As you navigate through the crowded lanes, you'll be greeted by a riot of colors, aromas and sounds. The energy and vibrancy of the markets are infectious, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the local culture. They are a riot of colors, aromas and sounds. Each stall offers something unique, from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The lively atmosphere is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and the warmth of its people. From fresh produce to traditional handicrafts, you'll find it all here. The markets are a treasure trove of local goods, offering everything from spices and textiles to jewelry and pottery. It's a perfect place to pick up souvenirs and immerse yourself in the local way of life. Section 7, the soul of Sindh, hospitality and the people. The true essence of Tando Allahyar lies in its people. They are known for their warmth, generosity and hospitality. The Sindhi tradition of Mehman Nawaz is deeply ingrained in their culture. Guests are treated with utmost respect and care. A visit to a local household is an experience in itself. You'll be welcomed with open arms and treated to a feast of traditional dishes. The people of Tando Allahyar are always eager to share their stories. They take pride in their heritage. Their hospitality is genuine and heartwarming. It leaves a lasting impression on visitors. Section 8. Challenges and progress. A look at the future. Like many cities in developing countries, Tando Allahyar faces its share of challenges. Poverty, lack of infrastructure, and limited access to education and healthcare are some of the issues that need to be addressed. However, there is hope. The government is implementing development projects. NGOs are working to empower communities. The spirit of the people is unyielding. They are determined to overcome these challenges. Tando Allahyar is on a path of progress. With sustained efforts, the city is poised for a brighter future. Section 9, Tando Allahyar, a journey to remember. Tando Allahyar is a city of contrasts. It is a place where natural beauty blends seamlessly with cultural richness. From its fertile fields to its ancient shrines, from its bustling bazaars to its warm and welcoming people, Tando Allahyar offers a unique and unforgettable experience. A journey to Tando Allahyar is a journey to the heart of Sindh. It is a chance to witness the enduring spirit of its people and the timeless beauty of its land. Come, explore the hidden gem of Tando Allahyar. It will leave you with memories to cherish.